Hello guys, welcome to the Benny Gray channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get 500 megabytes data for absolutely free. So if you're in Ghana or Nigeria or whatsoever, you can use this working method to get yourself 500 megabytes data every day for free. So the app we are going to use today is called Stack VPN. Yes, this is the app, guys. Stack VPN. To get this app, you are going to search it up on Play Store and download it. Unfortunately, guys, this only works for Android users. I'll later release a video for iPhone users. So Stack VPN, guys. This is the app on the Play Store. Yes, so you click on it. So in my case, I've already downloaded the app. So what I'm going to do is to click on open. If you haven't downloaded the app, click download, then install the app to your device. So I'm going to click on open. Click on open. So you are going to allow these settings and click on OK. You can choose to click on no or yes because it's your own choice. So from here, this is what you are going to do. You click on the top button over there, this very button, the top one, the none, which says the none or direct. You click on that one and search for your preferred network. So there are so many options to choose from. So in my case, I'm using MTN. So I can click on any of these offers. So you can see MTN 500 megabytes daily, MTN 500 megabytes daily 6. For me, I personally prefer the MTN 500 megabytes daily with the 100. Yes. So if you're on Vodafone, yeah, Vodafone Unlimited, you can use that one. So in case you are in Nigeria, you can scroll down to see the options you have. So I'll go on to choose the MTN 500 daily, like I said, this one, because I'm on MTN. So you click on that one, then the red button over here, you click on it, this red button, click on the red button. So it's going to load some, and so in my case it's run an ad, so you can skip the ad. So now you can see it has been connected. It has been connected, yes. And the upload and download over here shows the data you've used so far. The upload and download over here, yes. So this is it, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and stay tuned, iPhone users, because I'll drop another video for you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.